Solve for the range, the variance, and the standard deviation of a given set of data. The range is just the upper class boundary of the highest interval minus the lower class boundary of the lowest interval. In this case, the upper class boundary of the highest interval is 50. And we're going to add 0.5. So this is equal to 50.5. The lower class boundary of the lowest interval is 21. And we're going to subtract 0.5. So this is equal to 20.5. The range is 50.5 minus 20.5 is equal to 30. Therefore, the range of the given data set is 30. Now, to find the variance of group data, we need this formula. F is the class frequency. Capital letter X is your class mark. X bar is the class mean. And summation of F is the total number of frequency. So let's find the class mark first. The class mark is just the midpoint of the class interval. 46 plus 50, 96 divided by 2 is 48. Minus 5 is 43, minus 5 is 38, minus 5 is 33, minus 5 is 28, minus 5 is 23. Since our class width is equal to 5. Then we're going to multiply the frequency and the class mark. We're going to write another column. So 1 times 48 is 48. 10 times 43 is 430. 10 times 38 is 380. 16 times 33 is 528. 9 times 28 is 252. 4 times 23 is 92. Then find the sum. The sum is 1,730. From here, you can easily find the mean. This is just equal to the sum of the product of the frequency and the class mark divided by the sum of the frequency or the total frequency. 1,730 divided by 50 is equal to 34.6. Then we are going to get the deviation from the mean. For group data, we're going to subtract the mean from the class mark. So 48 minus 34.60 is 13.4. 43 minus 34.60 is 8.4. 38 minus 34.60 is 3.4. 33 minus 34.60 is negative 1.6. 28 minus 34.60 is negative 6.6. and 23 minus 34.60 is negative 11.6. Then let us square this difference, and we have these values. 13.4 squared is 179.56. 8.4 squared is 70.56. 3.4 squared is 11.56. Negative 1.6 squared is 2.56. Negative 6.6 squared is 43.56. Negative 11.6 is 134.56. We need these squares and the frequency. We're going to multiply the frequency and the squares, and the product is this. 1 times 179.56 is 179.56. 10 times 70.56 is 705.6. 10 times 11.56 is 115.6. 16 times 2.56 is 40.96. 9 times 43.56 is 392.04. 4 times 134.56 is 538.24. Find the sum. This is equal to 1,972. Now we can get the variance by dividing the sum with the total frequency minus 1. So 1972 divided by 49 equals 40.24. The variance is 40.24. Then the standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So the standard deviation is square root of 40.24 is equal to 6.34.